Sometimes we fall into a weaker state of mind. We can always see between the lines. I swear you can't always just feel fine. Your lines saying only greatness fills your mind. What about the thoughts when you recline? Sitting in the darkness softly crying. So sick and tired of people just living so sinful. You can't push and pull on me like I'm some superhero. All I got is what I need. You may take that for granted. Everyone may joke of me, 'cause I'm full of such antics. I try to love, but love played me. Left me as a hopeless romantic. So when I'm dying on my knees, and it gets all too many, I say these walls can cave on me. I'm full of so many oppressions. Some nights I just can't eat, although I still feel my hunger. Some nights it's me versus me, when I can't take hurt no longer. And from yourself you cannot flee, so I guess I only get stronger. Sometimes we fall into a weaker state of mind. We can't always see between the lines. I swear you can't always just feel fine. Your lines saying only greatness fills your mind. What about the thoughts when you recline? Sitting in the darkness softly crying. I just want to be free and let free. Is that too much to ask? I often ask these tendencies, release me out of your grasp. And the overall of shit and then the compulsive syndrome. I'm compulsively mad. I react without thinking. I'm completely a fool. What type of fool say fuck school then pays attention to school? Don't act cool, behave cool, and still a fresh afternoon. People display the wrong message with gun and the material use. You got a gun, don't know how to use it. It should be taken from you. Loud struck and goose stuff. You got big boost, cousin. Fuck me, no fuck you. You probably have to do nothing. The pussy ass dudes, you probably laughing in your dudes. You ran out of money. Girlfriend left you soon as your cow ran out of money. And you know what else funny? I ain't no chicken on no goose that's clucking. You don't like me, scream fuck me for dropping lyrical views, little ugly. Sometimes we fall into a weaker state of mind. We can't always see between the lines, so you can't always just feel fine. Your line saying only greatness fills your mind. What about the thoughts when you recline? Sitting in the darkness softly crying.